Welcome to this tutorial on how to use TapTap Send in Pakistan. A convenient and secure way to send money across the country. TapTap Send is a mobile payment service that allows users to transfer funds to any bank account, mobile wallet, or cash pickup location in Pakistan. To get started, first download the TapTap Send app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once the app is installed, open it and click on Sign Up to create an account. You will need to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and phone number. After creating your account, you will need to add a payment method. TapTap Send accepts various payment methods including credit cards, debit cards, and online banking. Select your preferred payment method and follow the prompts to link it to your TapTap Send account. Now that your account is set up, you can start sending money. To do this, click on the Send Money tab and enter the recipient's name, bank account number, or mobile wallet details. You can also select a cash pickup location if the recipient does not have a bank account. Enter the amount you want to send and select the payment method you want to use. Review the transaction details carefully to ensure everything is correct. Once you confirm the transaction, the funds will be transferred to the recipient's account or made available for cash pickup. One of the key benefits of using TapTap Send is its competitive exchange rates and low transaction fees. The app also provides a secure and reliable way to send money, with advanced security measures in place to protect your transactions. To receive money through TapTap Send, the recipient simply needs to provide their bank account number, mobile wallet details, or visit a designated cash pickup location. The recipient will receive a notification once the funds are available, and they can access the money immediately. In conclusion, using TapTap Send in Pakistan is a straightforward and convenient process. By following these steps, you can send money securely and efficiently to anyone in Pakistan. Remember to always review the transaction details carefully and take advantage of the app's competitive exchange rates and low transaction fees. With TapTap Send, you can send money with confidence and ease, making it the perfect solution for your money transfer needs in Pakistan.